Cool gel wax. What is it? And why do we need this Veet in our life? Let me tell you. Back in the days when I used to wax with the conventional wax, we used to heat it up and apply it on our body, and we used to wax it with a strip. Oh my god, I used to burn myself so bad sometimes. I still remember all that burning because of that wax. Well, it's scary, right? But scary no more, because we have this Veet key wax strips. 20 wax strips in just 200 rupees. It doesn't get better than this. 20 wax strips in 200 rupees and 8 wax strips in 99. I mean, imagine. Now this Veet is made with cool gel wax. You do not need to heat it up. You just need to take the strips, apply it on your hair, just pull it out. That's it. That's it. It's that easy. And let me show you how do you do it. So basically, if you can see, yeah, this is the hair situation right now. This is literally a very tiny amount of hair, but this is not as tiny as it seems. If I'm going to wear anything that does not have sleeves, this would not look good. Like, I wouldn't like it. But if I go to a parlor or a salon to get this situation waxed, they are just going to say no, because this will not come out with the wax. But with the new Veet wax strips, we can actually wax it. So you know what, let me just give it a nice swirl. Step 1, just pull it. So you actually get 2 different strips from this one strip, okay? Step 2, apply it in the direction of hair. Now, this is the end. We need to put it in the direction of hair. So if my hair right now is growing this side, this will go इसी side पे. So this is exactly how we apply it. Let's rub it a little bit and let's pull it in the opposite direction of the hair. Oh my god. I don't know if you can see this, but yeah, there is a very tiny amount of hair on the wax strip. And it did manage to pull out even the tiniest length of hair, which is so good. Oh my god, I actually love it. And the last step is this, finishing wipes. Now these wipes, perfect finishing wipes for that flawless finish on your skin. Just apply it so that all that waxiness is gone and you are left with the most flawless skin. Oh yes, that is what we are up for. You can wax all you want, your arms, your legs, even your face, your underarms, everything. It actually guarantees up to 28 days of smoothness, which is a long time, like almost 1 month of no hair. Oh my god, what I would not do to get that. Extremely cost effective, because you can get 8 strips for 99 rupees. 8 strips, I mean 1 full body wax session in just 99 rupees. It's even cheaper than your salons. Remove the shortest hair from your body, which, let me tell you, the parlor wali didis never approve of, because it's apparently too short for them to wax. But Veet actually wax it all. But the winner for me has to be the cool gel wax. No burns, no wax heating, just apply, pull and done. It's that simple. And you actually get a superior quality wax at home at just 99 rupees. I mean, it does not get better than this. So I can actually say that Veet is the better way to wax.